Hi, I'm Nalini Mahadevan, and I'm an attorney. We have an office in Clayton. Today, we're going to speak about special needs trusts. This is part two. We're going to talk about first party special needs trusts. Now, you may have also heard of this trust being called D4A trusts, and that just means that these trusts are regulated by Social Security law, and there are some very special requirements to establish these trusts. The first party trusts are generally meant for persons who have who have become disabled because they were in some kind of accident or something happened to them that they were injured so severely that they are not able to go back to work. So they have to have a disability that is governed by Social Security law, so under the Social Security Act. This trust can be established by either the person themselves or their parent or grandparent or another person. Until January of this year, the person who was injured could not establish their own trust. So there was a new law that came into effect, which was called the Special Needs Fairness Act. And on January 2017, that is this year, about 9 months ago, individuals themselves got the right to establish their own trust. Imagine that. Um, we at Mahadevan Law Office help you establish this first party trust. What it involves is being able to being involved at the very early stages, where before the structured settlement has to be framed and put in the trust before the check is received by the person who has the disability. Because once you have the person with disability has received the check, it makes them ineligible for any benefits they may have received either through the state government or through the federal government. The requirement of a first party trust can be established by anyone under the age of 65, and once the funds in the trust can be used for benefits other than those that are being provided by the government. This trust can also be used to fund things like technology requirements, maybe some part of the van needs to have a special equipment on it. Those are kind of examples we can think of right off the bat, but generally not for food and shelter, because those are provided by the government. And if those are given, any of the funds are used for those purposes, then that person with disabilities will lose part of the SSI that they are getting, Social Security income that they're getting from the government. The last thing I want to say is that once the person with disabilities has passed away, the first creditor to be paid back is the government. That is generally the state government. And once Medicaid has been satisfied, then maybe if there are any balance of funds left, then it can go to another beneficiary of the trust. So do give us a call in case you're interested in this kind of trust. If your personal injury attorney wants you to recommend somebody, we are available. Our entire business is based on referral, and we look forward to engaging with clients like you. Give us a call. Our number is 314-932-7111. Jamie picks up the phone in our office. Thank you so much for listening to us.